And Steve from EstateMax with you, coming to you from Woodbine, Maryland, which is right by Lisbon, approximately halfway down Interstate 70 between Frederick and the Baltimore corridor. Easy to get to. It's right off the Lisbon exit of Interstate 70. November 3, 4, and 5, a 3-day estate sale in a beautiful house. A ton of stuff here, very eclectic collection. We have everything from tools to Barbie dolls. There's a microwave oven, a mini refrigerator, hand power tools. Most of what you see, if not all that you see in this video, is for sale, including some really interesting musical art. A lot of collectibles. We have Yadro, we have Hummels, we have a Bing & Gronsdahl. Give you a quick preview video. Then we'll be doing another video. Here's books, there's crystal. Got about 10 computer chairs. We have silver plate. This is an example of one of the deals. This is a Canon printer. Never used Canon printer for sale here. You can get very cheap. There's Dustin Hoffman from that movie. Nice crystal. Beautiful pieces. Nice silver plate set. How about this cherry dining room table set from the late 1800s? Chairs are just beautiful. Try to get you a better look at that. All handmade. I think Paul Revere made it or something. No, just kidding. Beautiful upright cabinet with more crystal. We have lamps. We have copper. We have pewter. Beautiful lamps. I like this portable drink tray. Very cool. Again, what you see in this video is for sale plus more. This is just a preliminary video to give you an idea of the scope of the sale. It's got something for everybody. Power supply protectors. Be sold for pennies on the dollar. Headphones. Mice. Laptop coolers. Some cell phones. Other things. I like that peacock. It's beautiful. So again, we're in the kitchen. Again, this is just your preliminary video. We also have some bedroom goodies and other goodies for you. We have another full kitchen upstairs too. It's a big house. It's really big actually. So there are multiple units, multiple things in here. We have an area to search through. We have a lot of Christmas. Here's an example. That's a KitchenAid mixer. The box has never even been opened. Someone's going to get a steal on that. Walk you through one more time. So again, November 3, 4, and 5. It's a 3-day sale. It'll be on estatesales.net, right off the Lisbon exit to Interstate 70 on your way east. Super easy to find. The address, as usual, will be published the day before on estatesales.net, and we'll be posting videos and still pictures. Still pictures are up on estatesales.net right now. Just look for Woodbine, Maryland. It's an EstateMax sale. And there's a lot here. We haven't even gone outside yet. But we have an additional sale in the garage and also outside. So we had to stash things in more than one place. So you have a lot to explore here. And again, this is Steve for Lori from EstateMax saying we'll see you in Woodbine, Maryland, November 3, 4, and 5 for a sale that you won't want to miss.